Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the headlights on Toyota Urban Cruiser. To get access to the bolts holding the headlights, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, first we need to remove those plastic clips on the side of the bumper, one there and this one down there, and it's the same on the other side. The two plastic clips, one on top right there. In order to remove that clip, you need to push it in and then pull it out. So get a screwdriver and just push it in, and then you can pull out the plastic clip. And now that the plastic clip is removed, you can see that the front bumper is free on this side. Next we're going to remove the plastic clip on the bottom. We just need to turn it and then pull it out. We do the same on the other side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. These are the bolts right there that I'm showing you. About 3-4 bolts, some metal clips, and that's it. Next we'll go to the top of the car and remove the plastic clips holding the front bumper on top. We've already removed them, but in all these holes there is plastic clips just like this one that we need to remove. You just this plastic clip, you just push it in the middle and then pull it out. Now that all the bolts and plastic clips are removed that hold the bumper, now we can pull out the bumper. That's the bumper out now. Before we take it out completely, first we need to disconnect the electrical connectors on the two sides and then take out the bumper. Now that the bumper is removed, we have access to the bolts holding the headlight. The headlight is held by a couple of bolts, and the bolts are, one is down there or up there, the other one is over there, and then there's another bolt which is right there. When we remove those bolts, there is an electrical connector on the back that we need to remove as well, and then we can pull out the headlight. It's the same thing on the other side. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.